Hi everyone, Jay here. Hope you're having a very good Christmas and wishing you a happy new year. Thanks for everyone who's subscribed to my channel. I've actually changed my air filter to a larger diameter one from a 3-inch, which is this one, to a 3.5-inch, which is on the car. You'll be able to see that in the video that I want to show you in a bit. It's all time lapse, so it's not going to take too much of your time. This is how I've set up a direct intake system to my turbo. Only do this if you're running over 330 brake horsepower, and you'll have to have your MAF sensor mapped out by your tuner. I've actually changed the induction system on here a little bit. I was using a 45-degree bend and then another 45-degree bend to make a more direct approach. I've changed the flow crankcase gases so they flow more closer to the turbo, so it gives them a bit more suction and kind of draws them out from the engine, makes the engine maybe able to breathe a lot easier. I've also taken off oil catch can as well. I've taken off that as well just to see if there's any differences in power that makes. Obviously it'd be good to find out if this induction system, this revised induction system with a 3.5-inch diameter inlet does produce a bit more power on the top end. That's what I expect anyway. I expect it to produce more power at the top end. Probably give me a few more brake more, but anyway, a few more brake more for about £20 worth of filter, and about for the adapter that I made, that was about £13. So I wouldn't moan for about £30 if I get about 6 or 7 brake horsepower more on the top end after 4,000 reps. In my next video, I'll be hopefully changing my suspension. I have bought a coilover kit for this, and it's not a very expensive one, but it's quite decent, I think. So you'll find out about that kit in the next video anyway, and the results for this induction system that I've actually changed on here as well. So I hope you enjoyed the video. It's time lapse, and I hope you guys a very good happy new year, and I'll catch you hopefully in the new year now. All right, take care and peace.